Coverage of the severe weather continues with more on the aftermath of that devastating tornado that hit Selmer, Tennessee. The twister destroyed dozens of homes and businesses and left at least one person dead.
WREG's Raven Copeland talked with a man who's cleaning up storm damage tonight, just months after buying his home.
Hundreds are now picking up the pieces after an EF3 tornado reportedly struck Selmer, Tennessee. That includes Bradley Suggs, who just bought his home last year.
It's different, you know, with it being our own house, you know, the one that we paid money for. It's a little difficult, you know. We put our money in here. We're in the middle of a remodel right now.
Suggs says the powerful storm knocked down trees around his home and damaged his roof. He told your news leader what he and his family experienced when the severe weather barreled through Selmer.
And me and my wife and our two kids, we were in the bathroom. The kids were in the tub, and me and my wife were on the floor. Well, really didn't feel anything bad until we heard it coming. It's not like anything I've ever heard before, and it scared me because this was my first tornado ever being through.
Despite the damage and devastation, Bradley says he's grateful that he and his family are alive. He's now focused on rebuilding and repairing the home he's already put so much money into. Reporting from McNairy County, for your news leader, Raven Copeland, WREG News Channel 3.